Hey there, got your brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max and looking to make it even more awesome? I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of widgets. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. First, let's start on your home screen. Press and hold any empty space until everything starts to wiggle. At the top left corner, you'll see a little plus sign. Tap that, and welcome to the widget gallery. Now, this is where the fun begins. You can scroll through the gallery or use the search bar to find the widget you want. Let's say you want a weather widget. Type weather in the search bar and hit enter. Found it? Great. Tap on the weather widget and swipe through the different size options. Each size displays different information, so pick the one that suits you best. Maybe you want a small widget just for today's weather, or a bigger one to see the whole week's forecast. Choices. Choices. Once you've found the perfect size, tap Add Widget. Your widget will appear on your home screen, but you're not done just yet. You can move it around by dragging it to your desired spot. Want to customize it even more? Tap and hold the widget, then select Edit Widget. You can tweak it to show the info that matters most to you. And there you have it. With just a few taps, your iPhone 15 Pro Max is now more personalized and functional than ever. Widgets are an incredible way to keep your most used info right at your fingertips. So go ahead, dive into the widget gallery, and start customizing. Your iPhone experience is about to get a whole lot better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.